dear Lord friends, I hope you all are keeping fine and taking good care of yourself. Well, today I'm going to prepare some Australian red lentil, which is in Asia is called masoor dal, and along with some chicken breast. And both of these dishes are high in proteins and very good to keep oneself healthy. Yes. So as I mentioned, lentils are very good for the health. Lentils are like lens-shaped seeds, and they are actually considered as the oldest food discovered in the world, like 9,000 years ago. And this 1 cup lentils, it contains around 230 calories, like fiber and proteins in it, which is very good for weight loss. Also, like this chicken, like this half kg chicken contains 142 calories along with some vitamins and minerals. And as these days it's important that if you are not doing proper exercise, then to keep our body weight, it's important that we should plan our diet accordingly. So as ANU is in a transition phase of moving all its lectures online, so most of the time I listen to my lectures online through audio, and then I get an ample time to make my food, and I'm practicing some basic knife skills these days, like chopping, mincing, dicing and cutting to make my food more delicious and healthy. So these onions, they have high sulfuric compound in them. They always been tears in my eyes, but they are very useful and healthy. And also when you are in the room, yoga, meditation and offering prayers, they are very good for your health and well-being. And apart from that, eating healthy is also keep you calm as well. And along with all these things, when you're doing all this dishing, cleaning, dishwashing and stuff like that, movement of the body, it's very good for transformation of your thoughts and make you calm and relaxed, and also good for your well-being as well. Also these days I got some time to organize and clean my cabinets as well. Today I'm using this Shan masala. Yeah, it is very spicy and it's just like a barbecue chicken. It is easily available, these masalas in coals, and then these turmeric, cumin and garam masala. These days I'm organizing I'm practicing my cooking skills as well as organizing my shelves as well for my hygienic food. So guys, my food is almost ready. And you can eat this chicken and lentils with rice or bread. There are a lot of yeah, it smells so good. So there are a lot of YouTube videos, recipes available according to your mood and taste as well. And also a website like Australian Guide to Healthy Eating. You will find a lot of balanced diet charts to remain healthy, to eat healthy as well. So being an SR, we are always here to help you guys. So we are here for your pastoral care and other stuff as well. Do let us know if you need any help from us. Stay healthy, stay happy, take good care of yourself. Take care. Bye.